Hi guys, I'm doing a animal challenge about my birds, and they're kind of flying. We have two not flying ones, but two that can fly. We're getting two more that can fly, but we have four in the cage right now, and then I'm gonna take one out so you can see one. Come here, Snow. Oh, yeah. It's alright, Snow.
Are you having a hard time?
No, it's alright.
Good. What are you doing?
See, look at Rosie. Her name is Rosie. Rosie, look. Look at Rosie. She's a bird, and she's the one that cannot fly. And she is kind of cuckoo, and she loves trees. And plus, she wants to get back in her cage, and so she fly back in. I'm gonna have to get Snow, the white one. Come here, Snow. I'm here, Snow. It's alright. This one's named Snow, and he's kind of cuckoo, and his name is Snow. He's my pretty bird, and he tweets too much, and he bosses so. It's alright, Snow. No biting neither. And now he's gonna fly back in the cage.
Nope. Like, nope.
Fly back. The other ones I cannot hold, but maybe next time. See ya.